lovies, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by and are going to visit with me today where I plan in my Dollar Tree planner. I love my Dollar Tree planner. I talk about it a lot. I haven't done a lot of videos with this on my YouTube channel. I usually show most of this on my Instagram, but I thought it'd be fun just to put one in. I know we're kind of late in the game. It's almost the end of November, but I forgot about it. Found it in my archive and was like, oh, we need to edit this and get it on YouTube. So I just wanted to show you how fun and easy it is to plan in a very cheap planner because it literally costs only $1. But if you use your really nice supplies and spruce it up, it really does feel like a more expensive planner. At least it does for me, because I use all of my best washi and my best stickers, and I really do try to spruce them up. And for $1, you can't go wrong. And for me, I'm the type of person who doesn't really need to do weekly planning. I'm not super busy. I'm an author, so I write a lot, I do YouTube, and I'm an at-home mom, so I don't have like a ton of things going on. So I find like a month at a glance planning really works best for me. But I know that there's other people out there who are super busy, and weekly planners work much better, where each week is planned out for the whole month, and Dollar Tree even carries those. So it just depends on whatever you like and what fits for you, and I kind of like the month at a glance. Now for 2020, I might do something completely different just to jazz it up, spruce it up. Sometimes you get bored of doing the same old things over and over again. So we'll have to see. Maybe in 2020 I might do a different kind of calendar. Planner, I should say, that has a calendar in it. But as you can see, the very first thing I always do is I always get my washi down, and I have this beautiful like teal fox washi that has beautiful fall leaves through it, and I wanted to do a lot of golds and browns and like umbers and like those kinds of colors for November. Even though I am totally in the Christmas mood and I just want to do Christmas everything, I needed to do this because this is the month of Thanksgiving, and we need to be focused on what we're thankful for and what the month offers instead of rushing ahead for Christmas. So I did take the time to really make this feel very Thanksgiving-y, if that is a word, very cozy and warm to me. So I'm going to quit with the blabbing. I'll be back before the video is over. I'm just going to play some soft music, and I just hope this is relaxing and it inspires you to plan, even if it's cheap and on a budget. I think that's the best planning there is. Now that I have that washi laid, I'm going to get my 3 favorite books, which is that little red one right there was from the Target Dollar Spot a few years back. This Recollection one that is seasonal, and the one I showed in the very beginning is from Shine Studios, and that is seasonal as well. So I just start going for it. I sped this section up just a little bit so this video isn't like 40 minutes long, but I do show the whole process of me just taking these beautiful stickers and just creating nice spaces with in mind the dates that I know I have things going on. And you're going to see in here in a little bit, I'm going to use the little red one that I got from the Target dollar spot, and I'm going to use those types of stickers, like the little hearts and like little stars and things. Are very small stickers, and I put them up in the corner, and those are for me to remember to do like YouTube uploads, post Instagram pictures, and that's how I use them. And then I also there's like, you know, reminders for appointments, paying bills, things like that, all the important things that you use planners for. But I really think the best part of planning is the stickers and the washi. I just love playing with stickers and washi, and then I do incorporate some of the fun things as well, you know, not fun, but important things in there as well. So again, I'm just going to shut up and let you enjoy the process of watching me peel stickers and put them down. I don't know about you, but I love watching videos like this. It's very therapeutic, and I love to see what you took a blank page and made it pretty. So enjoy! So in the next step of planning in my Dollar Tree planner is I have to write in it, right? I have to plan. So what I kind of do with the orange marker here is I kind of highlight things. Like there's things on here that says like daylight savings time and Thanksgiving Day and things like that. I kind of use that to highlight, and I use 3 colors just to spruce up so that all the writing isn't like just black. But I use the pen when I have like very fine things that I need to put in there. There's more than one thing on that particular date, and then I use the markers if there's just one thing that I really want to highlight for that day. And then I love the different colors because it kind of just integrates with the different colors of your stickers. And then I decided to use the side that said, I think that said plans or something like that. I covered that up with a sticker, and then I write thankful, and then I'm just going to put some bullets in there and then write out some of the things that I'm thankful for. Very simple things. I think we take simple things for granted, and I just really wanted to focus on that. And then I just really wanted to put some things that I have in there that it's important to me, and that will pretty much finish up the video. This was a full scale planning. I didn't edit. I sped it up just a little bit so that it didn't take forever, but I just wanted to show you the whole process of me planning in a simple Dollar Tree planner. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad that you stopped by. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. If you're older Lovie and part of the Lovie tribe, I love you too. I'm glad that you stopped by as well. If you're new and you like these kind of videos and you like crafting and DIY, I suggest you hit that bell so that you get notifications when I upload, and subscribe because Christmas is on its way. I'm doing Vlogmas and I have a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs hitting my channel as we speak. So if those things interest you, I encourage you to stick around and become part of the Lovie tribe. Until the next video, guys, please take care of you. Always do what you love. And I'll be talking to you in the next video. Until then, guys, bye-bye.